especially if Mama and Dadi Dada, you're watching this.
Conrad.
कटोरी लेवी पड़ता
मोस्टली नॉन-वेज भाई, मैं प्योर नॉन-वेजिटेरियन हूँ. एंड hello cuties and a very good morning to you. So I have a lot of things done after the graduation result came out, and by the way I've passed with a very good grade. So my mind is just thinking about celebrations. That's it. I'm just like, I want to party, and that too not alone, not with friends. I just want to hang out with my family, go out, and today is the day. Like today I am going at my favorite restaurant. The name is Conrad. Okay, it's one of the most best restaurants all over the world, I would say, because obviously that's my favorite, so it's the best, right? And ignore this chaddar, okay? Yeah, so I have to get ready, so see you later. But before I go, I do have some time to chit chat. So yeah, I just wanted to say, yeah, I've brought new plants for my balcony, like the sea. Wait, why do we talk? We all see this is so cute. Okay, then this, the flower has come. Okay, this is money plant. This is my favorite cactus. Spider plant, money, and this is my favorite bonsai. And बाकी के जो है वो मेन रूम का डोर है ना, मतलब एंट्रेंस के पास रखा है. And even in that balcony, can you see even in that balcony, तो अभी पूरा घर is like nice plants, indoor plants भी I bought, like rubber plants, snake plant and all of that. So it's like, because the rains came and we decided कि rains में we'll go and buy new plants, so we went. So that one thing I did. ठीक है. Secondly, what did I do? Yeah, I took a new TV. मतलब mom took a new TV, but it's mine because I will also watch it. So yeah, I am pretty enjoying that. And उसमें like voice का है, AI है, and all of Netflix, Amazon and everything is there. So it's like a full entertainment package. Yeah, sorry. So it's like a full entertainment package, and it is so interesting. And you know, I cleaned my house, and then ये cage का जो I told you net and all लगाया. Then I kept them in main room, and मैंने TV लगाया, and I put that birds and nature sound and all. So they were like full on enjoying. Like, just say hi to them. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, and what else did we do? Oh, for this third most. Okay, one हो गया. Second, okay, one is plants. Second is TV. Third, I have to say, oh, that's the most important one. I joined my dance class back. Like, I did it because पहले मतलब कॉलेज का एग्जाम एंड ऑल चल रहा था. देन आई जॉइंड एन इंटर्नशिप, तो वो भी फुल डे था, तो आई डिड नॉट गेट टाइम. अभी का जो इंटर्नशिप है दैट इज 3 days अ वीक, एंड दैट ऑल्सो लाइक 4 to 6 के बीच में. एंड माई डांस क्लास इज एट 8. आई गेट अ प्रीटी गुड विंडो इन बिटवीन टू लाइक फ्रेशन अप एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. ऑलरेडी आई एम सो अनकम्फर्टेबल विथ दिस छोटू नेल्स. ठीक है, बट अभी मैं कुछ नहीं कराने वाली नेल्स को, बिकॉज मेरे को अक्टूबर में कराना है. दैट इज प्लान. Guess what? It started raining as soon as I left, but now it stopped. 5 minute का बरसात आके गया seriously. But yeah, why did I turn my camera on? To give the outfit check. It's like a trouser and top का set. Cute. क्लॉक इट। मेरा इतना फनी लग रहा है ना क्लॉक इट, इतने छोटे नाखून में ऐसे बच्चे जैसा। बट आई एम ऑल सेट टू गो टू कॉनराड। I will see you later. You enjoy the food. Love you. Good morning. अंदर पता नहीं चलता है। अनु नेम है ना यहाँ। So in Conrad, this restaurant, typically this one is my favorite. हाँ दादा दी my favorite. Let's go see the outlet, the outlet. भाई पानी पूरी तो मिस नहीं होनी चाहिए कभी भी। एंड दिस इज माई प्लेट। सो मच टू ईट, लाइक सो मच। ओनली अ फूडी कैन कम हियर एंड एन्जॉय, लाइक सीरियसली। एंड आई एम सिटिंग हियर, ठीक है, विथ माई प्लेट। आई हैव गॉट द स्टार्टर्स एंड एवरीथिंग। कोल्ड सेक्शन में से भी आई हैव बॉट। मोस्टली नॉन वेज भाई, मैं प्योर नॉन वेजिटेरियन हूँ। एंड द व्यू, like I would graduate every day for this. Fish pakoda the and garlic prawns and chow mein and all. And yeah, starter section માં.
Okay. મારે ને પપ્પાએ જવાનું છે બીજે.
ચલો આ તે મને કહ્યું શું કહ્યું?
શું?
હા
चिकन सलामी. चिकन सलामी. જોઈને લેજો, તો અહીંયા કંઈક લેમ્પ બેબી સેલડ બી છે.
પપ્પા આપણે આ સેક્શનમાં જવાનું છે.
આ સેક્શનમાં ચિકન અરે ફિશ પકોડા ઢાકેલા છે, ખોલીને લેજો. મંચુરિયન, ચિકન મંચુરિયન.
પાપડ જેવું. સૂપ ટ્રાય કરી શકો.
Let's cut a cake for graduation. And oh, I can choose any cake from the dessert section. Option we have chocolate raspberry cake, then mango cake which my grandpa is gonna cut, and strawberry cake.
કટોરી લેવી પડશે.
मैंगो करो. गाड़ी आपको ले लो, नीचे थी ले लो. Girl eating sweets. So weird but cute. This I've taken. मम्मी रसगुल्ला ले. Oh, पिस्ता लेमन. जोर लगा के हाइशा.
Alright, so I'm done with the food. Okay, I'm about to burst right now, and I feel like I've gained 20 kilos just in this brunch. But yeah, I'm in the washroom right now. I came to wash hands, obviously, but I wanted to express whatever I'm feeling right now, and especially if Mama and Dadi Dada, you're watching this. First of all, I love you so much. Okay, whatever I am, whatever my thoughts are, whoever I have become, it's all because of you all. It is all because of you all. It is all because how cutely you've made me your little princess, and always made me feel so safe, always gave me surprises, always made me feel that I'm doing so good enough in life. And right now I feel like if I look back, if I didn't have you all by my side, I would not be the person I am today. I would not be proud of myself, and every day you are in my prayers, and I'm so grateful to have you. I usually don't express it. Even now I'm talking to the camera because face to face I cannot. Okay, but I love you all so much. I love you a lot. I love you to the core. You're the most important people in my life. You are the reason I believe that family is everything. If you want to go out, go with your family. If you want to enjoy, go with your family. If you want to go to a movie, go with your family. I am nothing without my family. I am boring without my fam. Yeah, so just a little thank you for giving such good experiences, such good memories. I don't remember any bad thing happened to me. All memories in my head with you are always adventurous, good. I still remember my grandmom always forcing me to do whatever I want to do. Like, I'm afraid of swimming, but she knew I love water, and she just pushed me in the swimming pool like, go. Okay? If I overthink, if I lose any friends or anything, I come to mama crying that why do they do this, and did I invest too much in them? Am I just too emotional? But she explains me, and she's there with me. She's my best friend. My grandpa, oh my god, me and my grandpa are like little gossip aunties. Okay? We talk everything, we express everything, we cook everything, like we do everything together. I call him, we chat. There's no age gap. It's just he's my buddy. And that's so sweet. Like, I don't need other people to come and encourage me, to motivate me, because y'all are just enough. You've always been there, and I love you all so much. I feel so happy right now, like throwing such a big graduation party for me. Like, I always wanted a grand celebration because these 3 years have been tough, really tough, and studying and passing with good marks, and I just wanted to celebrate, and that too with family, and I got it, and I'm so happy. And special thanks to mommy. You will always be my bestie girl. I love you so much. Enough for today. Bye bye.